Hi everyone, it's Mr. Bartle here and welcome to Thursday's maths lesson. Today we're going to be thinking about making the numbers 6, 7 and 8 in lots of different ways. But first we're going to warm up our brains by having a quick activity. Okay, so you can see a picture of a boy and a girl and how many red balls? Can you count the red balls for me? So pause the video and count how many balls you can see. Okay, welcome back, guys. How many balls could you see? Let's count them together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now that we've counted 8 red balls, I would like to see if you can share them out fairly between the boy and the girl. So we need to make sure that the boy and the girl have the same amount of balls. We want it to be fair. So have a think for me, chat to your grown-up and see if you can share them out fairly between the boy and the girl. Okay, now you've done that, let's see if you got the right answer and the same answer as me. So I'm going to click on the first ball and see where it takes us. There we go. So we've got 1 ball to the boy and then 1 ball to the girl. 1 ball to the boy, 1 ball to the girl, another one to the boy, another one to the girl, and 2 more to go. 1 ball to the boy, and where does the last one go? That's right, it goes to the girl. And we need to make sure that they have the same amount of balls each. So let's count them. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls to the boy, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls to the girl. Okay, they have 4 each, which means that's fair, and they have the same amount. Okay, now we're going to move on to another warm-up activity, and we're going to see pictures of different numbered dominoes. And I want to see if you can tell your grown-up straight away, maybe without even counting, how many dots you can see on the domino. Off we go. Okay, how many can you see? We've got 2 on one side and 2 on the other. And we have how many? 4. Well done. 4 dots on the domino. Okay, next picture. How many have we got this time? Oh, now you may have seen that pattern before, maybe on a dice or even on a domino itself. And I wonder if you know it straight away. There are 5 dots. Okay, the next one we have, we've got 1 on one side and 2 dots on the other. So how many dots do we have all together on that domino? 2 and 1 together make, that's right, it makes 3. Well done, guys. And we're going to do 1 more. Okay, we've got 4 on one side and 2 on the other. So in a 4 and a 2 together, you start off with the 4 and you carry on counting. So we've got 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 dots on that domino. All right, well done, guys. Okay, now we're going to play a game, and it's the matching pairs game. I want to see if we can find 2 cards that match, and each picture will either have a way of making 6, 7, or 8 on each picture. Okay, so let's have a look at the first 2 and see if these 2 pictures are the same or are they different. So do they make number 6? Do they make number 7? Or do they make numbers 8? Let's have a look. So the picture at the bottom we have how many dots on the dice? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the bottom one shows us 6. How many pairs do we have in the 2 bags? So we're looking at the number of pairs that we can see. Is it going to be 6 pairs like our 6 dots on the dice? Let's count them. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got a 6 and a 7. Those two numbers aren't the same, so they don't match. So we're going to leave those two there and click on another 2 cards and see if these two match. Okay, so we've got our pairs again. So we know that the pairs in the 2 bags are 7. So we've got 7 pairs. What's this piece of Numicon down here? How many holes can you see in that piece of Numicon? Is it 6? Is it 7? Or is it 8? Okay, well done, guys. It is 7. There are 7 holes on the piece of Numicon and 7 pairs, and 7 and 7 means we have a matching pair. So those two will disappear, and let's have a look at a different pair of cards. Are these two the same? So let's have a look at the top one. We've got a 5 and a 1. So if you make a 5 in one hand and another one in your other hand, how many fingers are you holding up? How many dots are there on that domino? There are 6. So we've got 6 dominoes there, 6 dots, sorry. And how many counters have we got on our tens frame? So it needs to be 6 for it to be a matching pair. So do we have 6 counters on our tens frame? Let's count them up and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got a 6 and an 8. So those two are not matching pairs. So they're going to stay there. And let's see if we can find another matching pair. Okay, so we've got our domino again, and we know already that there are 6 dots on that domino. And we also know that there are 6 dots on the dice, because we had that one at the very beginning of this game. So we've got a 6 and a 6, and we know that that is a matching pair. Okay. And we've got one more pair to find. So I wonder what number you think this could be. Okay, we've had a 6, we've had a 7. Will these two cards show different ways of making number 8? Let's have a look. Okay, so we know this card down at the bottom here is 8 because we just counted that one. We had 8 red counters on our 10 frame. So hopefully we should now have 8 pencils in those 2 pots. So straight away I can see 5 pencils in one pot, and I can also see 3 pencils in the other pot. So a 5 and a 3 together. Does anybody know what that makes? It makes 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so well done, guys. We have found our 3 matching pairs. Now, the next thing we're going to have a look at are 3 aliens, and the top alien likes the number 6. The middle alien, likes number 7, and the bottom alien likes number 8. And I want to see if you can put the cards on the right-hand side in the right place. So can you put the cards next to the right alien and match up the pictures with the numbers 6, 7, and 8 for me? Pause the video, have a go, and we'll go through them together in just one moment. Welcome back, guys. Let's go through them together. So the first one that we're going to look at is this one up here. Okay, the purple counters on the 10 frame. So how many purple counters can you see? So we know that we've got 5 purple counters at the top and 3 purple counters at the bottom. So a 5 and a 3 together make 8. Okay, we've nearly made 10, look, but we've got 2 blank spaces. All right. So where is that one going to go to? You're right, it's going to go to our alien at the bottom because the alien likes number 8. The next picture that we're going to go through is this picture just here. How many Lego bricks can you see? So let's count them up and go through them together. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the Lego brick picture will go to our alien in the middle that shows 7. Okay, now the next picture that we're going to go through is this piece of Numicon here. Now, hopefully, lots of you will be able to tell me how many holes you can see straight away. What piece of Numicon is that? Is it a 6, a 7, or an 8? And it is a 6. So it's going to go straight over to the top where our number 6 alien is. Okay, 2 more to go. The next picture we're going to do is this one just here. All right, and it's a 10 frame again with how many counters? We've got 5 at the top and 1 at the bottom. So remember, 5 and a 1 makes 6. So point to the alien. Which alien is it going to go to? Oh, what happened there? Oh, sorry guys, I went through the wrong one then. Let's do that one again. So we'll do that one again in a moment, but let's focus on this one. All right, so let's have a look at this one. Let's start again. And that's a piece of Numicon as well. And what piece of Numicon is that one? Is it a 6? Is it a 7? Or is it an 8? Now I'll give you a clue. It does look nearly like a 6, but if you add 1 more on the top here, look, you'll make it into a 7. So 6 and 1 more make 7. So it's going to go over to our middle alien. Okay, now we've just gone through this one here. All right, and we know that a 5 and a 1 is going to go to our number 6 alien at the top. There we go. Now the last one that we're going to go through is our domino just here, and we've got a 4 and a 4 together. We've got 4 dots there and 4 dots just at the bottom there as well. So a 4 and a 4 make what number? They make 8. All right, super work, guys. Now, the last thing we're going to do today for our maths lesson is have a look at these pictures here and work out which pictures show 6, which pictures show 7, and which pictures show 8. So pause the video for me, have a good look at those pictures and work out which ones show 6, 7, or 8. Off you go. All right, guys, I wonder how you got on. Have a look at my answers and see how many of those you got correct. And give yourselves a big thumbs up. That's the end of today's maths lesson. And tomorrow we'll be looking at 1 more and 1 less of numbers up to 5. Okay, have a great day and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.